Somebody said too much of everything is bad. I say, well, not about watches, especially if they're coming from the house of Orient. Now this is my third Orient, but look, who's counting? Hello and welcome watchers to another watch video on my YouTube channel. Today the watch that we are going to talk about is another Orient Bambino. Now I've got three versions of Orient Bambino now, this one being the third, and this is a rose gold version. Have you ever bought an almost same jacket with three different colors? Just because it fits you so well and you feel so confident after wearing it and you are totally smitten by how it looks on you? Well, then you can relate to what I'm talking about in here. My first Bambino was a white tile silver hands, and this is my third Bambino, which is white tile but rose gold hands. Such a small difference, but if proof of the pudding is in the eating and pudding is tasty, then why not try it in other flavors also? For me, in here, a rose gold flavor. And boy, oh boy, I love these Orient Bambinos. Their finishing, their touch-ups, their attention to detail, being Japanese, in-house moments, independent makers, and under the Seiko umbrella, all these things are what makes Orient so special for me. And you know what? I haven't regretted a single bit after owning all these three Bambinos. Amazing job they do. I've already done a detailed Orient Bambino review on my videos, so I'll be sharing down the link below in the description for you to check. I'll try to keep this video short and succinct because I'm thinking of posting another video where I'll be comparing Orient Bambino Small Second with this version. Guys, still, if you have any question, any doubt, any query, let me down in the comment section and I'll get back to you with a reply to that. And thank you so very much for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and liking it. Thank you so much. See you on the other side. Bye bye.